Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Daily Podcast, where we help you speak English confidently every single day. I'm Marcus.
And I'm Chris. Hey, Marcus, how's it going today?
You know what, Chris? I'm doing great, but I have to tell you something.
What's that?
I'm really hungry right now. Like, really hungry.
Oh, no. Already? We just started the podcast.
I know, but I can't stop thinking about food. A big, juicy burger, crispy French fries, maybe some onion rings. Oh, and a cold soda.
Marcus, now you're making me hungry, too.
Sorry, but actually, this gives me a great idea for today's episode.
Ooh, I think I know where you're going with this.
That's right. Let's talk about restaurants. Let's teach everyone how to order food in English.
Perfect. Going to a restaurant is one of the most common situations where you need English. And the good news is, it's actually pretty easy once you know the key phrases.
Exactly. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to practice your English, knowing how to order food is super important.
So today, we're going to walk you through the entire restaurant experience, from entering the door to paying the bill. We'll teach you all the vocabulary and phrases you need.
And we'll practice together, so by the end of this episode, you'll feel confident ordering in English at any restaurant.
But first, everyone listening, if you're new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button for Learn English Daily Podcast.
Yes, we release a new episode every single day to help you improve your English. And if you're enjoying this episode, give us a thumbs up, especially if you're hungry like me right now.
And please share this with your friends who are learning English. It really helps us reach more people.
All right, Chris, I'm ready. Let's go to a restaurant. Where do we start?
Okay, so imagine this. You're walking down the street, you see a nice restaurant, and you decide to go in.
What's the first thing that happens?
I open the door and walk inside, right?
Exactly. And when you walk in, you'll usually see someone near the entrance. This person might be the host, the hostess, or sometimes just a waiter.
Okay, so I see this person. What do I say?
It's simple. You smile and say hello or hi. Just be friendly.
Hello. Easy enough. I can definitely do that.
Perfect. Now, the next thing you need is a table. So you say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. That means a table for two people, like you and me.
Exactly. You can change the number depending on your group. A table for one, please, if you're alone. A table for three, please, if you have three people. So the pattern is a table for plus the number of people.
That's right. Simple and effective. Let me give you more examples. A table for four, please. A table for five, please.
Got it. So I walk in, I say hello, and I ask for a table. What happens next?
The host will smile and say something like, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
This way, please. That means they're showing me where to go.
Exactly. Then you follow them to your table and you sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting. Now I'm ready to see the food options.
Right. But before you can order, you need something very important.
The menu.
Exactly. The menu is the list of all the food and drinks the restaurant has. Usually, the waiter will bring it to you automatically, but if they don't, you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? That's very polite with the word please.
Yes, please and thank you are your best friends in a restaurant. They make you sound polite and friendly.
Okay, so now I have the menu in my hands. I open it up, and wow, there are so many words.
Don't worry. Most menus are organized into sections. Let me explain the main ones.
Okay, I'm ready to learn.
First, you'll see appetizers or starters. These are small dishes you eat before the main meal. Things like soup, salad, or chicken wings.
Appetizers. So like if I order tomato soup first, that's an appetizer?
Perfect example. Tomato soup is a classic appetizer. Then, after the appetizers section, you'll see main courses or entrees.
The main course, that's the big food, right? The main dish.
Exactly. This is the most important part of your meal. Things like steak, chicken, fish, pasta, or your burger.
Burgers. Sorry, continue.
After the main courses, you'll see desserts. These are sweet foods you eat at the end of the meal.
Like cake, ice cream, or pie.
Perfect. Chocolate cake, apple pie, vanilla ice cream. All desserts.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is definitely my favorite.
Mine too. And finally, you'll see drinks or beverages.
Beverages. That's another word for drinks?
Yes. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea. Anything you drink is a beverage.
Okay, so let me review. Appetizers are the small food first. Main courses are the big food. Desserts are the sweet food at the end. And beverages are the drinks.
Perfect. You've got it. Now you can read any menu.
All right, so I'm looking at the menu. I see all these delicious options. What happens next?
The waiter will come to your table. Usually they'll have a small notepad and a pen. They'll smile and ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order? And if I am ready, I say,
You can say, "Yes, I am," or "Yes, please."
what if I need more time to look at the menu?
Great question. You can say, "Just a minute, please," or "Can I have a few more minutes?"
Just a minute, please. That's useful. But let's say I'm ready because I'm hungry.
Okay, so the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" And you say, "Yes, I am." Now comes the important part. How to actually order your food.
Do I just say, I want a burger?
You can, but there are more polite ways to say it. The best phrases are, "I would like," or "I'll have."
I would like. That sounds much nicer. So I can say, I would like the burger, please.
Perfect. That's exactly right. You can also say, "I'll have the burger, please."
I'll have is short for I will have.
Exactly. It's very natural and commonly used. Let me be the waiter and let's practice.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the cheeseburger with French fries, please.
Perfect. And would you like anything to drink?
Oh, I almost forgot the drink. I would like a Coke, please.
Great. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 cheeseburger with fries, and 1 Coke. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Back to normal voice. See? That was easy.
It really was. The key phrases are I would like and I'll have, right?
Exactly. And notice how the waiter repeated your order at the end? That's very common. They do it to make sure they got everything right.
And I just say, yes, that's right. Or, yes, thank you.
Perfect.
Okay, so I've ordered my food. Now I wait for it to arrive. What should I know about this part?
While you're waiting, you can talk with your friends, check your phone, or just relax. Then the waiter will bring your food and say, "Here you are," or "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal. And what do I say back?
Just say, "Thank you." Simple and polite.
Perfect. So now my delicious burger is in front of me. I'm about to eat it. But wait, what if something is wrong? What if I need something?
Great question. Sometimes you might need extra napkins, more water, or maybe some ketchup for your fries.
How do I ask for these things?
First, you need to get the waiter's attention. Try to make eye contact, and when they look at you or come near your table, say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? That's polite, right?
Yes. Then you can ask, "Can I have some more water, please?" Or, "Can I have some ketchup, please?"
Can I have some more water, please? So the pattern is, can I have plus what you need?
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. "Can I have another napkin, please?" "Can I have some salt and pepper, please?"
This is very useful. What if the waiter comes by and asks if everything is okay?
They might say, "Is everything all right?" Or, "How is everything?"
And if the food is good, I can say,
You can say, Yes, everything is great. Thank you. Or, yes, it's delicious.
Delicious. That means it was very, very tasty, right?
Exactly. Delicious. It's a wonderful word to use when food tastes amazing.
My burger is delicious. Okay, now I've finished eating. I'm full and happy. What's next?
Well, the waiter might come and take away your empty plates. Then they might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
Dessert. How could I forget? Yes, please.
So you look at the dessert menu, you see the chocolate cake, and when the waiter returns, you say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
I would like the chocolate cake, please. Perfect. So I eat my delicious cake, and now I'm really, really full.
The meal is finished. Everything was wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, yes, the bill. How do I ask for that?
You get the waiter's attention again. Excuse me. And then you say, can I have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please?
Bill or check, are they the same thing?
Yes. In British English, people usually say bill. In American English, people usually say check. But everyone understands both words.
Good to know. So, can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. The waiter will bring a small piece of paper with the total amount you need to pay.
Can I pay with a credit card or cash?
Usually, both are fine. But if you're not sure, you can ask, do you accept credit cards? Or can I pay by card?
Great tip. And when I give the money or card to the waiter?
You can say, here you are, or just hand it to them with a smile.
They process the payment, bring back my card or change, and then I'm ready to leave.
Exactly. As you stand up to leave, it's nice to say to the waiter, thank you, everything was great. Goodbye.
That's a nice way to end the meal. It shows appreciation for the food and service.
Absolutely. Good manners are universal, Marcus.
You know what would be really helpful? Let's do the entire conversation from start to finish, a complete role play.
I love that idea. Okay, I'll be the waiter and you're the customer. Let's start from the very beginning.
Perfect. I'm ready.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Hello? A table for one, please.
Of course. Right this way, please. Here's your table. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have water, please.
Perfect. And here's your menu. Take your time and I'll be right back with your water.
Thank you.
Here's your water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the Caesar salad to start, please.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent. Would you like anything else to drink?
No, water is perfect. Thank you.
Wonderful. So that's 1 Caesar salad and 1 grilled chicken with vegetables. I'll get that started for you right away.
Perfect. Thank you.
Time passes. Here's your Caesar salad. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Time passes. And here's your grilled chicken. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, everything looks great. Thank you.
Time passes. How was everything?
It was delicious. Really good.
I'm so glad. Would you like to see our dessert menu?
I'm pretty full, but okay, let me see it.
Brings menu. We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and tiramisu.
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Coming right up.
Finishes dessert. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Returns. Here you are.
Thank you. Here's my card.
Perfect. I'll be right back. Returns. Here's your card and receipt. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for everything. The food was excellent. Goodbye.
Have a wonderful evening.
Normal voice. Wow. That was the complete experience.
That really was. From walking in to walking out. And you did great, Marcus.
It's actually pretty simple when you break it down like that.
You're absolutely right. Let me summarize the key phrases everyone needs to remember.
Yes, this will be super helpful.
When you arrive, you can say, a table for number, please. Or, can I see the menu, please? When you order, you can say, I would like. I'll have. can I have? During the meal, you can say, excuse me. Can I have some more water, please? Everything is delicious, thank you. When you leave, you can say, can I have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Thank you. Goodbye.
And the two magic words that work everywhere?
Please and thank you. They make every interaction better.
So true. Now, I feel so much more confident about going to a restaurant and ordering in English.
That's exactly what we want. Confidence comes from practice.
Speaking of practice, listeners, you should practice too. You can do this role play at home with a friend or family member.
Yes. One person is the waiter, one person is the customer. It's fun, and it really helps you remember the phrases.
And don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn.
Absolutely. People in restaurants are usually very friendly and helpful, especially when they see you're trying to speak their language.
Great point. Just be polite, smile, and do your best. That's all anyone can ask.
All right, Marcus, I think we covered everything about ordering at a restaurant today.
We really did. And now I'm even more hungry than before.
Same here. All this talk about food, I'm thinking about pasta now.
Pasta? That's your favorite, right?
It is. I love any kind of pasta. But spaghetti carbonara is my number one.
That sounds amazing. For me, it's definitely burgers. A good burger with cheese, bacon, lettuce, tomato, perfection.
Now you're making everyone listening hungry too.
Sorry, everyone. But hey, now you know how to order your favorite food in English.
Exactly. So that's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Daily podcast.
Remember, we release new episodes every single day at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a lesson.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English. It helps us so much and helps them too.
Now, for today's practice challenge, we want you to leave a comment.
Yes! Tell us, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Is it pizza, pasta, a burger, something else?
Write your answer in English in the comments. We read every single one, and it's great practice for you.
We're so excited to hear from you. And who knows, maybe your comment will inspire our next episode.
Before we go, let me tell you what's coming tomorrow.
Ooh, I'm curious.
Tomorrow's episode is Shopping in English, How to Buy What You Need.
That's going to be so useful. Make sure you tune in tomorrow.
Until then, keep practicing your English, keep smiling, and keep learning with us every single day.
You're doing amazing. We believe in you.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.